a surprising move, the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission (ZEC) has released a statement denying any involvement in the controversy surrounding Winnie Chivayo, Mike Chimombe and Moses Mpofu. The statement comes after allegations of a shady deal between the trio and ZEC surfaced, with Chimombe and Mpofu releasing voice notes claiming Chivayo failed to pay them their share of the proceeds. ZEC's statement effectively shifts the spotlight to Chimombe and Mpofu, who are currently out of the country in China. However, sources within the government reveal that the police are eager to question the duo about two additional deals involving millions of dollars allegedly looted from a gold project in Harare City Council dating back to 2016. Meanwhile, the Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission has announced its intention to interview Chivayo, Chimombe and Mpofu regarding the ZEC deal. According to sources, Chivayo has already been interviewed and the Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission (ZAC) is now waiting the return of Chimombe and Mpofu to proceed with their questioning. As the drama unfolds, it promises to be a tense weekend for all parties involved. Award-winning investigative journalist Hopewell Chingono has been following the story, and his insights suggest that the controversy is far from over.